I know these are black bean noodles, but not these black bean noodles. I'm going to show you how I lose weight with this pack of noodles. Kind of clickbait because I don't actually eat these noodles. As you can see, the sauce packet is open, but I do eat noodles. Which noodles do I eat? Dun, dun, dun. Noodles that are low fat, okay? So as you can see, per dish, 100 grams, 1 gram of fat. Very low fat. If you're trying to lose fat, trying to maintain your body, this low fat is what you need, okay? Not this high fat stuff where you can see 100 grams, it's 12.1 grams of fat, which is including the noodles, okay? Now, if you read the instructions, the ingredients here, you will see that most of the oil comes from the fried noodles, okay? So what I do is I don't say no to the sauce, okay? Sometimes I want to use a little bit of sauce. There is some soybean oil in here, but it's very small amounts, and I don't use the whole packet, you know, obviously. So what I do is I use this. I boil the noodles separately. This is really quick. These are dehydrated noodles, okay? However much you want. I'm actually finishing the packet, so I might do the whole thing. And you just boil it. These cook up in 4 minutes. Look at that. They're already gonna shrink in there. I mean, soak and just go down, okay? So it's sometimes even faster than this even. Okay, same time, better. Alrighty, so I've drained the noodles, sort of. I've actually kept some of the soup water because I want my noodles to be a bit watery. Okay, I added some frozen vegetables in the water so that they'd cook, thaw and cook. And then I'm gonna add some extra corn in there, more vegetables. Oh, that's the sweet sauce, the good stuff. Okay, and then dun dun dun, the sauce. I'm gonna try to pronounce this. Chicharroni. It's a black bean sauce for ramen. Okay, cool. Okay. It is black bean sauce. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Okay, and that's it. Like, look at that. Same noodles, same chicharroni sauce noodles. I got my veggies, low fat, healthy. Not that healthy because of the sauce, but this is the healthier version compared to this. And yes, this is beetroot. This one's all right. I opened it and let it, I don't know, do with the air, and then actually tasted better. Because when I first tried it, it tasted a bit too bloody. I don't know. This is beetroot. It's vegan, but I think the red color had something to do with my brain. But yeah, tasted better. And I'm gonna